Good morning, all. Welcome to Calgary. You know, the independent retailer of the lumber and building materials industry is certainly the backbone of this industry. The WRLA is pleased to be able to bring you all to the buying show of 2016. We look forward to you all having a great day today, and we hope to see you tonight at the gala event. Show us officially.